is the science that deals with the logic of numbers, shapes, quantities, patterns, measurements, and calculations. Maths is a methodical application of matter. It improves creativity, abstract, critical, analytical, and logical thinking. It also improves problem solving ability, power of reasoning, and self confidence. Mental math stimulates brain and improves memory, focus, and concentration. Max is all around us, in everywhere, in everything we do. It's applied in every aspect of life.
The Indian government declared 22nd December as National Mathematics Day. This was announced by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on 26th February 2012 at Madras University to mark the 125th birth anniversary of the Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Mathematics has always been a subject of extreme. To most students, the word mathematics means terror. But to a small percentage of students, they love it to the core. The National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 20 December every year as the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan, an Indian mathematician born to change the future of maths. He was never formally taught on the subject, yet he became one of the greatest mathematicians of all times.
Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar was an Indian mathematician who lived during British rule in India. Though he had no formal training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions, including solutions to mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. During his short life, Ramanujan independently compiled nearly 3,900 results, mostly equations and identities.
Now let's watch the life of Srinivasa Ramanujan.
Hello, Aju.
Hi there.
Are you free now?
Actually, I'm not. I'm watching a movie.
Okay, I'll call you later. By the way, which movie?
The Man Who Knew the Infinity.
Hello.
Hey, are you busy now?
No, I'm not. What's the matter?
Do you watch the movie The Man Who Knew the Infinity?
Wow, great name. I haven't seen it.
It's a movie about Srinivasa Ramanuja.
Oh, yes, that mathematician. I was in the group named after him for the competition in the previous years.
Do you know anything more about him?
Yeah, he was from Tamil Nadu and went to Cambridge.
Do you know it is his birthday which is observed as the National Mathematics Day?
What? Are you serious?
Wait, I'll add Arjun to the call. He might be knowing more. Hey Arju, have you finished watching the movie?
Yeah, just finished.
How was it?
More than a conventional biopic. I think every Indian, or at least every mathematics student, should watch it once. As we know, we used to say the name of Ramanuja frequently, but we know a very little about him.
I was not aware of the mathematics day before she told me about that.
It is not only your case. Ramanuja just scribbled his findings without any proof in his notebook directly. Some of his books were discovered from the Trinity College Library. As there were no proofs, mathematicians couldn't understand them. As the science and technology developed, it was understood that some of his findings were applicable for some problems in astrophysics. But the most interesting fact is, many of his findings are not yet decoded.
Yeah, I have read about it. The famous mathematician G.H. Hardy was his mentor at Trinity College. Hardy invited Ramanujan to Trinity College to make him learn how to write proofs and about the conventional way of solving problems and forming equations.
But how did he die?
He was a highly religious man. He said that his findings are the blessings from the goddess of his clan. This was the reason he gave for not proving his equations. His food habits were highly different from that of Europe. So he was frequently ill and finally affected by TB. At the age of 33, he left this world, leaving behind his great findings.
The Ramanujan Prize is awarded to young men for their outstanding achievements in the field Ramanujan worked within an age limit of 32.
Guys, I have an idea. What about exhibiting this movie in front of our friends on the coming Mathematics Day? Let them also know about him.
Yeah, I will inquire about it.
We should also have programs and presentations related to his achievements in detail. I'll take care of it.
In case of any help, please do call me. I have to leave now. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Good morning to all. I am Sr.Sec, the famous Indian mathematician born on 22nd December 1887 at Kumbakonam in Tamil Nadu. I have made so many contributions in the field of mathematics, mathematical analysis, number theory, infinity, etc. At the age of 12, I have invented my own way of solving quadratic equations. I have combined nearly 3,900 equations. I, along with Hardy, discovered the Hardy-Ramanujan number, which is the smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of cubes of two numbers in two different ways. If you want more theorems, refer my book, The Lost Notebook. To me, an equation means nothing unless it expresses a thought of God. In 2011, my birthday was declared as National Mathematics Day. Thank you. Have an infinite good day.
Acute angle.
Obtuse angle, an angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. Right angle, it always measures 90 degree. Straight angle, a straight angle always measures 180 degree. Flex angle, an angle between 180 degree and 360 degree.
Math, oh dear Max, you are so marvelous. You are miracle, mystery, and magic. I keep on trying to solve you. You keep on trying to puzzle me. Oh, I just can't get away from your being unsolved. And when my mind gets confused solving you, you make my mind think out of box. And you give my brain a chance to think and work. Max is logic and fun. Max is art and fantasy. Math is intelligence and interesting. And math is the truth where it always proves that every problem has a solution.
Today, I will show you some math tricks that will make your calculations easy. Multiplication by 11. Let's take an example 26. In order to find the solution of 26 multiplied by 11, the first digit and the last digit of the product will be the first and last digit of the question itself. Here, the first and last digit is gonna be 2 and 6. In order to find the middle number, we have to take the sum of the two digits given in the question. That is 2 plus 6 equal to 8. So the answer is 286. Square root of two-digit numbers. Here, let's take an example of 43 square. Here we have to first find the first and last digit square numbers. That is 4 square and 3 square. Now we have to find what is in the missing blank. That is gonna be the square simple 2 multiplied by the two digits 4 and 3. After that we will get that 4 square is equal to 16, 2 into 4 into 3 is equal to 24 and 3 square will be 9. There should be a chance that the second and third digit number must be a single digit number. But here 24 is a two digit number. So we take the first digit of the number and add it to the first number. That is 16 plus 2 will be 18. Now the 2 is cut, so 4 is the third digit number and 9 is the fourth digit number. Now we get the final answer as 1849. That's all, we got the answer.
Now it's the time for some interesting puzzles. Can you solve this number puzzle? Okay, I will help you. Here we have 4 set numbers and the answer of 3 sets are given. We need to find the answer of 4th set. For that we need to apply a small trick. We need to multiply first 2 numbers and add last 2 numbers of every set. We get 2 answers. So by subtracting that 2 answers we will get the final answer. Here we get the final answers as 24, 0, 8 and for the 4th set we get the answer as 48. Then the second one. There are 3 sticks. Can you make 4 out of them without breaking any? Yes, here is our answer. Thank you everyone.
Why 1729 is a special number? The Hardy Ramanujan number is named such after an anecdote of the British mathematician G.H. Harding, who had gone to visit S. Ramanujan in hospital. 1729 is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two different cubes in two different ways. It can be the sum of the cube 10 and 9 and also 12 and 1. While Ramanujan number is not his greatest combination, it can be certainly a fascinating discovery that is easiest to remember.
Branches of mathematics. Algebra. Introduction of a variable in place of an unknown number. Arithmetic. Involves operations such as add, subtract, multiplication and division. Geometry. Study of shapes, figures, size and their properties. Trigonometry. Studies the relationship between the triangle's length and angles. Calculus. Also called a study of continuous change. Number system. Mathematical notation of numbers using a set of symbols. Pure mathematics. Study of concepts beyond practical application. Applied mathematics. Application of maths in various fields such as science. Discrete mathematics. Study of discontinuous for discrete mathematical structure.
The Penrose triangle, also known as Penrose triangle, is a triangular impossible object, an optical illusion which cannot exist as a solid object. It was first created by Swedish artist Oscar Reuterswärd and later popularized by psychiatrist Lionel Penrose and his son, Nobel Prize winner Sir Roger Penrose. The triangle appears to be a solid object made of 3 straight beams or square cross-section which meet at right angles at the vertices. Beams may be broken, forming cubes or cuboids.
Indian mathematicians.
Brahmagupta.
He introduced zero to the number system.
Srinivasa Ramanuja.
His contribution in mathematics lies mainly in analysis, game theory and infinite series.
Satyendra Nath Bose.
He is known for his work in quantum mechanics.
Dattaraya Ramchandra Kapekar.
He described several classes of natural numbers.
Shakuntala Devi.
She is popularly known as human computer.
Aryabhatta was the first Indian mathematician and astronomer who created groundbreaking theories and inventions. Aryabhatta worked out the value of pi and also invented the symbol of zero. It was Aryabhatta who discovered the formula for the area of a triangle and the volume of a sphere. His works include the Aryabhatiya and the Arya Siddhanta. The mathematical part of the Aryabhatiya covers arithmetics, algebra, plane trigonometry and spherical trigonometry.
Tales of Miletus. He was credited with the discovery of 5 geometric theorems. He used geometry to calculate the height of pyramids and the distance of ships from the shore. George Boole. He helped to establish modern symbolic logic. G.H. Hardy. He is known for his achievement in the number theory. Leonhard Euler. Euler was the first to introduce notation for a function f of x.
Maths is always interesting if we understand the concept and learn. Now let's watch a small video for kids to learn maths in an interesting way.
माहीने मेरी शिमले दे रहा है चंबा कितनी एक दूर है.
Wow, I just love that Himachali folk song.
Just relaxing, Didi. I'm fed up with all these max rules of similarities in triangles. Is there any simple way to learn these similarities easily?
Don't worry, dear. I will take you today to a triangle zoo. We will learn similarity of triangles in an interesting way.
A triangle zoo?
It's a zoological garden and an animal park where we can see a lot of triangle similarities.
I'm pretty much eager to visit the zoo. Come on, let's move on.
Dear, we reached the zoo.
Wow, triangle zoo. Amazing. I have never seen a triangle zoo before.
Yeah, there are more interesting and amazing things waiting ahead. Come on, let's learn and enjoy the amazing logics. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Come on, we will learn similarity in triangles in an interesting way. Dia, come on, now let's move towards the ticket counter.
Wow, an entrance made of triangles? Wow, I love it. It's colorful.
See, here itself you can find various similar triangles. Can you find some and tell me? Okay, first you tell what is a similar triangle.
Oh, that I know. I have learned it before. Two triangles are said to be similar when they have two corresponding angles congruent and the sides are proportional.
Oh yeah, so you have learned the theorem well. Now you can find it somewhere in the entrance.
Oh yeah, I could see a lot of SSS similarity triangle here. The 4-pillar rooftop has SSS similarity. Those 5 trees are having SSS similarity. Those picture of 2 fishes on the fence wall is also having SSS similarity. But those tree barks, we can either prove it by SAS or ASA similarity. And that ticket on the rooftop, its door and the 2 arrows showing the way to park and zoo have SSS similarity. And the main central roof of the entrance can either be proven by ASA similarity or SAS similarity. This triangle entrance itself helped me to understand the similarities in triangles of SSS, SAS, ASA. Now it seems interesting to learn things in a different way. Now the concept is perfectly clear for me.
Learning maths is interesting.
Yeah, now it seems interesting. So now I'm eager to visit inside. I'm sure we will find some more similar triangles inside.
Maths is interesting, creative, miracle, mystery, art, and fantasy. Maths is a geometry.
Geometry? What's it?
Geometry. You know, geo means earth, so it's Earth's mystery.
Oh, hey wait, look at that. I could see those elephants and giraffes peeping at me. It seems they are waiting for the visitors. So come on, let's move on. And Didi, thanks a lot for taking me to this triangle zoo. I enjoyed a lot and it cleared all my doubts perfectly through an entertaining journey.
Mathematics in our daily life. The importance of mathematics in our daily life cannot be questioned. It finds its application in the field of science, technology, economics, business, functioning, designing, and computer application. The advancement of these fields is only possible by the application of mathematics. Even a common man finds the application of mathematics a million times in his day-to-day life. Consider a situation like this. A woman is going to the store to bringing up the groceries. She needs to add the price of all things that she brought, which is nothing but the application of mathematics. Even a 2-year-old toddler comparing a smaller toy with a bigger toy, which is again the application of mathematics.